Welcome back to Bags on the Go. The El Camino, the Caballero. You know, I call this car the El Camino from time to time. But it's in the air right now. And I'm about to start right here in the rear first. And I'm about to drop this fuel tank, this gas tank. So I'm about to work my way to the front. We're gonna start with the gas tank first. Let's get it. Alright, so I wanted to show you. Got the gas tank out. I just took down the drive shaft and I'm working my way towards the front. Let me show you up under here. Now I bought this car and I turned it over a couple times and I heard it run, but that's it. I never put this car in drive and never drove it. And now I'm here tearing it all apart, and the trans and the motor can come out next. Over here, I had to, let me get over here real quick. Mainly why I went ahead today and started on this project. You see all of that's wet? Well, that's not brake fluid, that's gas. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead, start in the back, work my way up front, because I couldn't stand smelling this gasoline anymore. Like literally I could fill up a bucket of gasoline and how it smells in here. If somebody came in here and was smoking a cigarette and tossed it over here by this car, we all go up in flames. So this is a no-no, and I'm tired of smelling it. I said, you know what, today's the day. And they told me that this was leaking, and they were right. They gave me the new line, but however, when I do this LS swap, we won't be using this. So I'll take this gas line and put it on my granddad's car, since I'll be keeping that car original and I need a fuel line. So yep, so there we go. I'm about to work my way onto the front. I should cut off this this exhaust, but since this fresh gas is right here, I really ain't trying to do too much sparking or anything, because I'm gonna have to use a cutoff wheel to cut that off, just to get that out the way, you know what I'm saying, get it looking cleaner up under here. I don't know if I want to take off the drive shaft and the wheels and stuff just yet, because I may want to move this car. I may want to move this car over to the corner, so you know my workspace don't just be right here for the entire year, because right now I'm just stripping the car down, because I really want to move it and put it over there in the corner, somewhat over there in the corner. I just got to move all them things over there, but straighten it out a little bit. But here we go. There's the process. So I'm just showing y'all honestly the growth. Last year this time, no way I would have been able to drop the gas tank on my own, drop the drive shaft on my own, and just work at this on my own. I would have been like, I need somebody to come around and help me do this, because I never done this before. Now it ain't nothing. About to get up under there, snatch everything out, snatch the motor out, snatch the trans out, all in one. Watch. It looks so nice up under the hood right now, but I'm about to start tearing all of this stuff out and yeah, remove anything, keep everything as possible on the motor though. And next thing you know, we're gonna rip this boy right on out. So that's that. Take this hood off, get this hood out the way, and snatch this motor and trans. I already took the trans bolt out. Yeah, so I'm about to start just removing anything on this motor, put it to the side. Let's get it. Let me show you what it looks like now. You know, I went up in here, I cleaned up everything. It's looking good. It says 50 something thousand on the dash. I don't know if that's rolled over or if it's true, but I mean, this thing is pretty solid. Like it ain't no rust all the way down there. Usually like all of this down here be rusted out so bad. It ain't. It's in good shape. You know, the battery pan, of course, is gone because of moisture and stuff like that. But yeah, about to get into it, y'all. Let's get it. All right, so let me show y'all what it's looking like now. I just got to take the motor bolts out, and it's coming right out. That's it. But before I do that, I got to get a motor off my motor stand, and then I'm gonna go ahead, pull this out, and then it'll be nothing in here. Caballero. All right, so as you can see, finally got that work shirt dirty. I got the motor mount bolts pulled out. Everything is ready to go. You see the hood's off. I'm up under the car right now, trying to get this cross member to come out. Let me grab my light real quick. Cut the exhaust off. Give me 1 second. So, cut the exhaust off. Disconnected the trans. Disconnected the trans. But whoever put this cross member in, they only put that bolt in. There's no bolt there. It's only one bolt. You see the other end is right there. So whoever put these in, they made sure this boy wouldn't move. Both sides is pretty much seized up. So I'm gonna go ahead and soak it overnight. And I'm gonna worry about pulling the motor tomorrow because I need to go home and recharge. So that's that on today. Everything is out, ready to go. It's ready to come on up out of there. I just gotta get that cross member. Get that cross member bolts out. Just 2 of them, 1 on each side. So yeah. Working hard, y'all. Working hard. Putting in that hard work. Man. Yep. Woo. Got rust in my ear. El Camino. Working. It'll be out tomorrow. And that's it for today. I'll be back at you tomorrow. Hopefully we pull this motor out and you will see it. Let's get it. So I'm about to go ahead and soak the bolts. Be back at you in a minute. Before you know it, welcome back. New day, y'all. Day 2. And I got the cross member out. Those bolts were so old, had to chop them out. They used 2 bolts. I don't know where them bolts came from. They already stripped them. Them bolts was worn out. They were rusty. I just cut them out. Got my my claw and just cut it out. So what's next? Y'all about to see me pull this engine out. Hopefully I got everything taken off the motor. We gonna figure that out real soon. But I'm about to get going, so let me go ahead and set up for you so you can watch me. All right, so she's out the car. And I got stuck with the way I tied You know, I was pulling it, it was going up because, you know, I kept the trans with it. So I got stuck right on the cross member, not cross member, sorry, right here. I got stuck right here and on the core support. So I had to stop, had to call a friend, had to have Myron come give me a hand and help me pull it up some more, because what I had going on got me stuck. I needed an extra hand, so I had to stop. And then I forgot to press play so y'all can see me actually pulling out the motor of the car. But all right, so it's out. And you know it's out because look at all that weight it took off. My boy's sitting up. So I was pulling it out and I got stuck here on the core support, so I had to stop. Had to give Myron a call real quick to come give me a hand. And we had to set it back down and pull it out, and finally got it out. So let's go. Pulled out the big boy, getting ready to do a rebuild on it. Gotta get them parts ordered, but you know me, I'm gonna try to locally find some parts first before I go online. You know, never know, you may find a cross member couple hours away, you may find something to stuff for a little cheapo. That's all. Little budget bill, but you know, I was gonna try to keep this front facial on here and do the truck mounts and keep all this stuff on here, but we not, because I gotta replace stuff like the water pump. And you know, once you do that, you're out with everything else. But working on it, y'all. So check it out. Now I'm about to go through, do some cleanup. Because it's gross. I got stuff leaking all on the ground. I'm about to throw this thing on the pallet over here. Throw this thing right over here on this pallet. And I'm about to get this motor up out of here. I already stripped this down. The parts that I wanted off of it. Get that up out of here. It's gone. And as you see, I'm working. And it's okay that I didn't get a chance to actually get it on camera, it coming over the front face and coming out the car, the motor that is. But you saw me when I was lifting it up out of the engine bay. That was all me. I did that. So it's just another proud moment. And right now what I'm doing, I'm about to move a few things around. I got that motor, that 305 with the trans, being shipped out later today. Waiting on the guy to come and get it. Junk man got to come and get the other motor that's gonna give me some room. I do have to figure out where I'm gonna put this hood, because just staying right here ain't working. So I may put some cushions on the edge here of this hood. Just put some cushions or something right here and put it on the ground, probably over here. Anybody need a hood, want a hood, throw me a couple dollars, come get it. This came off of this car, you can have it. That's gonna give me some more room in here. And then it's time to clean up. We gotta move a few things around, take off a few things, gotta get new motor mounts. It's gonna be a minute before I put that motor in here. I gotta clean it up, I gotta dress it up, and then we're gonna put it in. But it's gonna be a couple weeks waiting on parts, and then gotta put the parts together. Trans is ready to go, pretty much. I just gotta get that cross member. Shout out to my boy Swag Gatsby. He called me and said, I got a donation for you. I thought he was talking about that money. But no, he said, oh, it ain't money, but I got a cross member for you. I said, that's even better. Don't even worry. If you can ship it to me, I'll pay for the shipping. Appreciate it. If it works for me, dude, that's one piece to the puzzle that I don't need right now. And this is what building these cars is all about, man. How you find parts. If you want to buy brand new, whatever, nothing new, you go to the store, drop your money, get it. But when you can outsource, get a part from here, get a part from there, put everything together where it came from. I got this part from Buddy, I got this part from Buddy, this part from Buddy, and you know what I'm saying, you're happy. People feel like, you know, they involved into the project, it hits differently. So shout out to my boy Swag, threw me a part for this car, so we're gonna get that in the mail, and then trans part will be a-okay. I can throw that up under the car whenever I'm ready, and the motor and stuff will slide right up in there. So yeah, we're right here at the beginning, guys. This is the beginning. Before you know it, it's gonna be sitting down in there looking all crispy. I don't know what color I want to paint that motor just yet. I think I'm gonna go with all gray or a light gray or a metallic gray or gunmetal gray. I don't know just yet. But I'm gonna make it look clean. I don't care about adding no red, no color to it, no blue. We ain't gonna do no blue engine. We gonna make it look like it's a nice LS engine, clean LS engine. That's the goal. So I appreciate y'all for watching this video. About to just keep it coming. The next video, you're gonna watch me breaking down that motor, cleaning it up, and next thing you know, we're gonna slap them both together. I'm gonna have full drivetrain ready to go. I'm looking for a rear end. If you guys locally, like I'm in Michigan, I travel to Ohio, Indiana, Chicago, anywhere up in the Midwest. If it ain't too far, roughly 4 hours at most, because man, going down to Cincinnati, that's a stretch, but for about 4 hours span, I'll come and get it. I need a rear end for this car. I would like for it to already have disc brakes on it, built as well. Just makes, you know, the process quicker, and I pay for it. So if it's a good deal, if I want it, I'll show you how bad I want it, I'll come and get it. So y'all help me out on that, and it's Bags on the Go. I appreciate y'all for watching, and you already know. See you on the next one. Peace.